super energetic today. What's up guys, kaise ho? I hope everyone is doing great. This is one amazing thing that happens when you work out early in the morning and come back. Let's crush the day. But we have a small problem. One irritating problem. I'll tell you what. You guys remember, right? My GoPro fell while going to Bakel. It has this small dot on it. Exactly in the center, yeah. This is too much. That scratch should have happened somewhere else. No. Exactly like pinpoint center mein hua. And because of this, it's giving a natural sensor. Now, when it comes to action cameras, nothing on this planet can beat a GoPro for sure. But then they have their disadvantages. For example, the GoPro 8, you cannot replace the glass. Which means a scratch like this, you need to replace the entire GoPro. Seriously? Doesn't make sense. Now the best I can do is break this glass, leave the lens naked like that, so that at least you don't have a scratch. And then I'll order another glass, third-party glass, and stick it back. For now, let me remove this glass because today we're gonna go and test ride a new bike. I mean, it's not just any other bike; it is an electric bike. From the title, you've already seen that. And always, I have plans to get a new bike for myself. Not a bike, let's be clear, a moped for myself. Because we replaced the Santro and got the Hyundai Verna. The Tiger is a replacement of nothing. Actually, I bought it because I like it. We replaced the Charisma and got the Street Twin, and recently we had to replace the Accent and get the new Kia. And there is one last thing we need to replace because it's like really old and old things need to be replaced, and that would be our very old Honda Dio. We got this almost like when we got the Charisma. I think much before that. No, after that. Let's see, I'm not sure if we're gonna get the Aether, but today I'm gonna go and test ride it. In case I like it, maybe I'll consider getting the Aether. Let's see if it impresses me. For now, let's go and repair my GoPro. I know this is gonna fully ruin my GoPro 8, but that's the best option I've got. Seriously, GoPro, how do you expect that an action camera taken to action sports? You think the consumer will not break the glass? There should be an easy replacement like the 5 or 6. GoPro thought 8 may let's do this like Apple, so that the customer replaces the whole GoPro instead of just replacing the glass. But hum to desi hai, we'll do jugaad. At least we'll get full clarity now. Only thing is, now it's no more waterproof. Chalo, now let's go pick up the bike. Oh, by the way, before leaving, I just realized that I have this case, a GoPro 8 case where I can... And we have a good solution. Only issue is, now it becomes heavy by at least 100 grams. Okay, here at the Aether showroom. Looks really good, yaar. I didn't expect this much of a showroom here. The other day when I came with Charan, I came outside and just took the bike and went. I came inside. It looks really good. I need to do a little bit of paperwork. Obviously, I'm taking the bike and going for security purpose. And after that, we'll have the bike. But before taking, I have to check one thing. Usually, you have to check if there's fuel or not. But Isma, you have to see if there is charge or not. Interesting times. Okay, so this is the charger.
Yeah, charger.
It's quite heavy, yeah?
Yeah, little bit.
Okay, what do I need to learn? This is pretty interesting, yeah.
Yeah.
A big digital screen. We've seen this in cars, that's it.
Yeah, and that is the park assist. It will go back.
Oh, there's a reverse gear.
But,
Interesting.
But in park assist mode, the top speed is only 3 kilometers per hour.
Reverse mein.
Yeah, so push your documents directly to the dashboard. Your driving, RC, everything.
Okay,
it has an 1.3 gigahertz of Snapdragon processor, 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. So
Nice,
like
yeah.
for 8 GB of storage, we can push unlimited number.
So
of
we can put songs and all, videos and all.
So we can't play PUBG.
Okay. And what I like is the display is lit up like in this kind of conditions, also sunlight. I can properly see the display.
Yeah, even this sustains in Chennai climate.
Oh yeah.
So that's the best example. Based on your driving style, the mileage differs. Yeah, warp mode is the total performance.
Warp mode is like sports mode basically.
Yeah.
High power, full high power.
Highest
What
power
modes
of
do
the
you have in this?
The Eco, like economy mode.
Okay. Eco, ride, sport,
And warp.
warp. Okay.
Warp is the total performance.
Full
mode.
power.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the warp, the torque is equal to typical 200cc bike torque. Duke 200 torque.
Oh.
It's 26 Nm. So the top speed in this is 90.
Okay.
0 to 40 is only 3.3 seconds.
Whoa.
Mobile data
Oh, it's got a
connection.
SIM inside.
Yeah.
eSIM.
Yeah.
Okay.
So not only one company. We
Okay.
have types with 3 companies.
Right.
So whichever signal is strong, it takes that.
What is the range?
Eco mode, it's 85 kilometers for single charge.
So So people who bought it, they got that.
85 is the minimum we are
Minimum,
claiming
okay.
under any harsh condition. If you are
Okay.
gentle with the throttle, the highest ever mileage recorded in Bangalore is 134 kilometers on a single charge.
So you should be like very gentle and ride in slopes.
Yeah. if we want that, but on 85 is under any
85
condition.
guaranteed.
Yeah,
Okay,
100
okay.
plus is easy. If
Okay.
you are little gentle with the throttle, 100 plus is very easy.
Right. Looks good as well, but no review is complete without Sriman Kotara's 120 FPS shots. Coming up in 3, 2, 1.
I don't need to forget you. Now you're sleeping beside me. Yeah, I wonder who could we, or could we pretend that we're on the same page?
Okay, apparently we have our subscribers here at Aether.
I'm Aditya.
Aditya. Arey Aditya. A new subscriber
Yeah, Ashraf Khan.
from today, from now.
Yeah.
Be gentle with the brakes is all we have to say.
Okay.
Brakes will be very responsive.
Oh, they're responsive. Good. Okay.
That it won't get the power.
Now it's on.
Normal
And push the
scooty, you
start
should brake this place. Yeah, it's on.
Now motor on. Oh. Okay, and that's it, right? Now it's on. You just need to move.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. That's interesting. Nice, yaar. First brakes like they told. Sorry for the swear words, but it's crazy responsive, yaar. Nice. I love the display. Yaar. Actually, I can go left. Left is free. Okay, this is full throttle. For the city, it's fine. Eco mode. Again, red signal. We can go straight, no problems. And horn is better than my street twin. But weird, yeah. Like if you're riding a electric vehicle for the first time, it definitely feels weird because I mean there is no engine vibration, nothing except for that road vibrations. And man, suspensions are smooth. I think 30 to 40 kilometers an hour is like a decent speed in the city. That's what I do on my Dio. Okay, people have been talking a lot. I mean a lot about the WARP mode, W-A-R-P, WARP mode, which is basically sports. No, there's a sports mode as well in this. Sports are more powerful is the WARP mode. Actually, let's try that out and see if it's like really worth the hype. The best part is definitely the brakes, yaar. Seriously? Damn. Okay, let me put it in. How do I select it? Yeah, this is ride mode. Who is interested in ride mode, dude? I'm coming from a street twin and all. I need sport mode bhi nahi. Okay, actually we'll start with sports mode. Range went down by 20 kilometers because it's in sport mode. Let's see. Oh yes, it is definitely evident. Arey yaar, there is a lot of difference. I don't know who is calling me, but oh, it's easily going to 50-60 kilometers an hour. And the ride quality is definitely good. Whoever engineered this. Hello. What is this regarding? Insurance? I am not interested in insurance, please don't call me again. Okay, let's take a U-turn here. Arey yaar. That's sports mode. Hello. Regarding what? Reward points, I'm not interested here, don't call me, please. That is sports mode. No issues. You're definitely good, but let's test the WARP mode. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Let's see. Oh shit. Okay. अरे व्हीले होता है क्या? Seriously? Damn. अरे यार. This is insane. You wanna have fun? Get it? Oh man. Oh man. Awesome. Oh shit. I'm loving this. Oh god. Crazy yaar. Let me go put some fuel in it, okay? busy है. पेट्रोल बस हुआ ना? समझ गए आप? इलेक्ट्रिक वाला है भैया. पेट्रोल नहीं डालने का इसमें. बैटरी पे चलता.
ये बनाने वाला मैं ही ना था. हाँ, मैं था.
आप ही बनाए इसको. Okay, you will definitely love the warp mode, but I suggest don't always use it unless you have an emergency or want to go fast. Otherwise, cruise like this, 70 kilometers left, aram se I can go back home and come back. Okay, now talking about the seating position. Okay, this is my comfortable position, and definitely seat is nice and cushiony. You can see this. It is very comfortable seat. आ गया Royal Enfield. Not let me vlog. अब जाओ यार please. Thank God. Nothing against Royal Enfield. It's just that it disturbs my vlog. So basically right now you don't have traffic, so I'm riding like this. When you have a lot of traffic, even 40 kilometers an hour is like a lot. And this is definitely, obviously it is made for city. It is not at all made for the highway. My personal opinion about the Aether, among all the other bikes, electric bikes that have been released recently, I think this one stands out. First thing is there's a lot of engineering that went into it. Small thing that I don't like about it is definitely gonna be the mirrors. I mean, they are vibrating a lot, which can be fixed. Obviously you can see this is a demo vehicle, so it's got a little bit of vibrations here. It's loose a little bit here. Because of that they are moving, and this is not a big problem. You can fix it. Position is definitely comfortable. You can ride, I feel I can ride for at least say 1 or 2 hours without any problems. Usually I don't like mopeds, but the purpose of a moped is that, right? Go to the gym or come back and take some groceries, have a lot of luggage space. Some are stupid bikes, they can go long and all, but they don't have luggage space until and unless you put some panniers or a proper luggage system. Anyways, that purpose is different, this purpose is different. This is all about city commute. And but definitely our first lovely thing about this bike is 100% the brakes. Like very, the sales guy told me be super gentle on the brakes. I was like, dude, I come from a super bike. I know how the brakes work. हमारा तो Brembo brakes है. We know how to handle brakes. I was thinking this inside genuinely, but now I understood why he told me this. Definitely better than my Tiger's brakes. You can just use the rear brake, which I don't recommend. Don't do that. Rear brake say you can stop the vehicle efficiently with just 2 fingers. And if you hit both the brakes, if no one is there, I can do that and show. It just comes to a standstill, like instantly. 80% charge left. What else can I do while running? I think I can't do anything much on the screen, which is a good thing. Otherwise you'll start playing PUBG. By the way, you cannot play PUBG on this huge screen. What I really love is the display. Usually LCDs, even in the cars, when there's like direct sunlight like this, you can't see it properly. You know, usually electric bikes, they don't feel like proper mopeds, like a petrol powered moped. And how is the balance? Balance seems pretty crazy good. Very good. Nice. Instant. That pull is really instant. That too in eco mode. Eco mode in this bike is literally more powerful than my Dio in full throttle. Seriously, trust me. You can come ride and you tell me. Arey, I'm a little bit fast, but no issues, dude. We have amazing brakes. Like Brembo ka baap hai idhar. I need to really talk to the engineer. Anyone listening from Aether, tell me how did you design these brakes, yaar? Abhi bahut ho gaya. People are trying to overtake me and go, aisa nahi hota, dude. How can you overtake me? Let me put it in sports. Let's try sports. Or this is also good. Oh man, it is good. It is good. So you put it in sports mode, you get 46 at 77%. Let's go left here. Now yeah, that warp mode is very interesting. I want that. So basically what the sales guy told me is warp mode is literally 200cc KTM Duke. Chalo, let's race KTM Duke. Anyone? Full throttle. This always, it's always getting me, yaar. It's impressive. Damn impressive. Like, look at it. Okay, I'm at say 30 kilometers an hour. Instantly 50 kilometers an hour. My friend told me it is going to be like mad when you put it in warp mode, but I didn't believe him. I thought it's going to be good, but this is, you see that? I mean, you come and ride, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Arey yaar, you will have amazing fun in the city to filter this bike. shit, man. Instant. Electric. Full charge में 85-90 kilometers. Superb. I'm in love with it. Let me first put it in eco. Okay. See, came back to 60 kilometers range. So one more interesting thing is you put it in park assist, slide this. So you need not use your legs, like especially if you have done a leg workout like me, and I don't want to use my legs to move it back, or if it's in a inclination, especially this is useful for girls. It's in reverse, so just throttle. I really want this mode in our bikes here. Like we put so much of luggage, if we park in an inclination, if you need to move it with that much of luggage with panniers, a top box and all, it takes so much of effort. We literally need 2 or 3 people pushing it back. Use this, just leave my legs like that, and but yeah, this mode is nice. And if you want to do the same thing in forward, press this ignition and it goes forward like that. Limit is 5 kilometers an hour. Okay, it's a slope, so it's going to 7 kilometers an hour. Pretty simple. Toggle forward, backward, and to cancel just press this and slide it. And one more thing is you can hit the brake, touch this and hit this, so that it goes into that park assist mode. One more thing I would like to show you is the dicky. That's the dicky. You have the first aid kit here. This is the charger, which we don't need now because we have 60 kilometers of range. Temporary registration ka. You can put your phone here. Let's try if I can put my phone. Put my phone here. Is there a charger? Don't tell me there is a charger here. That is one thing which is missing. And you have a nice light. You can see this. It's a nice, beautifully made LED light. There's the branding there, 450X. I like the name. Let's put it back. And I think aram se you can fit a nice big helmet in this. And because you don't have the engine, aram se you have a lot of dicky space. And look at the design, man. It looks pretty good. It is light, man. I can literally lift it off. Super light. Okay, one more thing. When you first put the key and switch it on, you rev it, it doesn't go. Alright, you'll have to first give ignition. Then it says motor on. That is when you start riding. Abhi 60 kilometers, where should I go? Ekkada vodam. Pedda Hyderabad undi man chetlo. Eda padthe tirgachu. I wish I can change the modes on the go, like you do in the car. Just turn off a switch. There should have been some shortcut key where I could do that, or a combination of keys for safety purpose. Right now we don't have anything like that. Okay, till now we spoke about all the positives. Let me see if I can find any negative in this. Still thinking. No, I'm being very honest, okay? I'm actually thinking if I can find any negative. What can it be? Okay, maybe I can say range could be better, but I don't know, yaar. This is just the beginning of electric scooters, so I think if you want to use this like properly in the city, majority of the time, which is the main intention of anyone who's getting this particular bike, I think you should be pretty good. BMW 320D, let me come into sports mode. Yeah, I can race the BMW in the city, of course. Yes. On the right you can see the beautiful Durgam Cheru. I mean, you can't see it from here. Udhar upar jayenge and I'll show you properly. Udhar upar jana bole to I need to literally go all the way to Jubilee Hills. But no problem, we are not wasting any petrol. We have electric scooter. हाँ, बैटरी का है. अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. पेट्रोल हो गया आपका? पेट्रोल तो 85 रुपीज चल रहा ना अभी. अरे इतना attention I didn't get on our premium bikes, dude. Everyone, like 7 or 8 people till now, I didn't even capture everything, but at least 7 or 8 people asked me, what is this bike? Is this electric? Nice, it feels good. Suspension is good, power is decent. Warp mode method, it's better than a bike. It's not too sturdy, not too soft. Takes the city bumps easily. Maneuverability is pretty amazing. You see that? Big tires, so nicely it maneuvers. Apart from that, brakes, man, I'll not stop talking about the brakes. It's got an eSIM inside, so you can switch between different signals, it seems. Activa, you're trying to overtake me. I need to stop and put it in sports mode. If I put it in sports mode, no, not even this dude can overtake me. I'm impressed, definitely impressed. I think, let's see, let me talk to dad as well, because he is the one who will be using a moped more than me. I'll be using it only for gym, or sometimes, you know, if I need to get something quickly, like a quick grocery shopping or something. Okay, we have a sudden situation. Suddenly this is India, someone comes running. There might be a shark, there might be a whale coming onto the road, and then you have to brake, and what you do is definitely hit the brakes, panic braking. Let's see if it stops. Oh, that's like amazing braking, yeah. I've observed something. Once you stop, all this other information comes up. You even have maps, dude. So it's connected. You can see the signals here, network. You have all the information here. Let's go back. And when you move, the display changes so that it's safer. Otherwise, you will be playing around with all the options there. Oh, that is the tachometer. You see that? The more you rev, the more it goes. I'm sold. I think I'm gonna make a booking. Let me go talk to my dad. Damn, man, it is fast. It is fast in warp mode. I just wish we could have a better mileage at warp mode. Man, it is a fun bike in the city. Aether, please come up with a adventure tourer, dude. I'm gonna be the first person to buy it. Man, that instant power is insane. Oh, by the way, that is the Durgam Cheru. And I was told that, if I'm not wrong, there are around 13 or 14 charging points in the city. I think it's pretty easy to find on the map. And you know what? It is like a, how do I tell you? It is confidence inspiring. You want to maneuver it, you want to filter it aram se. Oh yes, this is the charging port. So you have such charging ports around the city. I think approximately, I need to check with them, but I think around 13 or 14. So this is the charging port. This just looks like a petrol station. This is the charging port. Just lift it up like that and any charging point city lo 6. So basically this is the charger you get. Ghar ka charger hai ye. The basic charger takes 7 hours, 0 to 100. The dot charger, that will take 4 hours, 5 hours. This is the fastest, takes 2 hours, 0 to 100. 1 hour and 0 to 80. Oh, pretty good. Okay, so my genuine review about the Aether, my genuine rating. Aether, one word. You have done a great job. 9 out of 10. For the way it rides, for the ergonomics, you have considered a lot of things and engineered this. That's for sure. As a biker, I can tell you, the maneuverability, the handling. I mean, I was impressed when I left the handle and it goes straight and it is super stable. Well done. Definitely impressed. Now, the big question, will I be taking this bike? Will I be buying this bike? I'm definitely sold on it. I think I'll book it. Let me think actually.